2020 and Beyond, Tech Trends and Human Outcomes. Dave Coplin, former Chief Envisioning Officer at Microsoft UK, talks about how the world will change in the next decade as technology promises incredible opportunity and challenge for us all. The next decade promises to offer both incredible opportunity and challenge for all of us. Technologies like artificial intelligence, and its close friend, machine learning, will no longer be considered new but will instead be at the heart of some huge disruptive changes that will run right through our society. In particular, AI will start to enable the automation of many things that were previously deemed too complex or even too human. We'll see these changes at work. Traditional professions like accountancy, lawyers and others will, over time, see significant portions of what they do be taken over by virtual robots. Vocations such as lorry drivers, taxi drivers and even chefs may disappear as machines are introduced to perform the same function but with more consistent results and less risk. We'll also see these changes at home as AI will bring a host of new changes to how we live. AI will help us speak any language to anyone in the world. It will help us discover and create new content and maybe even help us decide what food to eat and when we should rest, and for how long, in order to help us live lives that are not just more healthy, but more productive and of course more fun. We'll, hopefully, see these changes at school and in education too when we finally realize that in the 21st century, simply knowing stuff is no longer enough. Instead, we might seek to use AI to build personalized learning schemes that tailor learning for every unique student such that they can reach their true potential regardless of their background, ability to learn or particular strengths and weaknesses. This could also mean the end of exams and tests as we know it as we move away from the unnecessary stress and futility of a single measure of knowledge taken at a single moment in time to a world of continuous assessment, where the system is able to measure progress as a byproduct of the work that the student does every single day. Not so huge smartphones, quantum computing and robots. As for the technology itself, it's going to continue to get quicker, cheaper, more powerful and smaller. Your huge smartphone may not be so huge by the time we get to 2030, in fact it may not be a phone at all but instead a small implant that you have inserted under your skin, just like the one we use today for our pets. We'll also see the introduction of new game-changing technology. For more on this story, visit the news article link.